So today we're cooking steak. Let's put some Nashville powder here. Make it reddish. This is triple A steak, by the way, but it's frozen. That's why it's kind of tough. But looks good. I just put some garlic.
Somebody to know, somebody to heal, somebody to have.